In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bates numbers to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you're managing legal documents or simply need to organize files in a specific sequence, Bates numbering is an essential tool. Let's get started by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the Tools section. If you can't see the Bates numbering option right away, click on More Tools to expand your options. You're looking for the Bates numbering feature under this menu. It might appear as Edit, then More, and from there, Bates numbering, followed by Add. This path may vary slightly depending on your version, but the key is finding that Bates numbering Add option. At this point, you'll see the Bates numbering dialog box pop up. Here, you'll want to click on Add Files. This action is crucial because it's where you include the PDFs you wish to add Bates numbers to. Take a moment to organize your selected files if you're working with more than one. You can easily manage their order by using the Move Up and Move Down buttons. This is important to ensure your documents are numbered correctly in the sequence you desire. Now, let's talk about Output options. Click on Output options, a vital step where you'll decide where the saved, numbered files will go. You also have the opportunity to set your file naming conventions at this point. Once you're satisfied with these settings, click OK. This action will bring up the Add Header and Footer dialog. In this new dialog box, you're going to decide where on your document the Bates numbers will appear. Typically, you'll choose between the header or the footer. Click on your chosen location and then select Insert Bates Number. The following step involves setting your specific Bates numbering options. This is where you determine the number of digits your Bates numbers will have. You might choose from 3 digits up to 15, depending on the needs of your project. You also decide on the starting number, which could be one or any number that fits your sequence. Additionally, you have the option to add a prefix or suffix, which is text that appears either before or after the number, adding further customization to your documents. Once everything looks good and you've finalized your choices, click OK to apply the settings. Acrobat Pro DC will then generate a new PDF, or possibly multiple PDFs if you're working with several documents, all adorned with your specified Bates numbering. Now, don't forget the final crucial step. Save your new document or documents with the Bates numbering applied. This ensures all your hard work is securely stored and ready for use. You've now successfully added Bates numbers to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.